Morning traders, October 20, 6:50 market time. Market does open for 30 minutes. Guys, if this is your first time tuning in to the channel, we market open but to savings this week. Market's what? 6:30 or early. Practice at 6:50 today. Get on about 6. Check out 6,000 subscribers. Trade video that will help trading, swing trading, term investing, etc. Have past live shows here single day that's live. Also, lesson library. So if you're investing, definitely check it out. It's here to help guide you. Check those. A lot of video pins quarterly. Very good supplement. All right, now let's get into it, guys. We do have in our section. This channel is day trading stocks as well as stock and combination of all. Definitely, I get overall. All right, show me a thumbs up if you're live. Thumbs up if you're live. Guys, he's not really live, don't worry. I don't get to my comments all that much, my friend. This is I'll put my so how can I not be live? It's 8:52 in the morning. You can see it right here. Mr. Creeper X. So Bitcoin pushed up very nicely this 17:30 yesterday at lows. Now we talked about 17. Hey, it's true to its word. Start off at 17:43, 17:39 now. So at 18. Profit. Bitcoin. Sold off aggressively, just trying to get back past that 200. I don't think it's going to get past that moving average. Selling, go into a downward trend. Should mean tomorrow would happen. See how it's kind of below this. It's stable. Or it could just oversold, locking in profits. I do have a position right now. Something shared. 34 share. Kind of about $6. Also review up. I shouldn't take it. I bought here thinking I even bought here. Very nice. Did not slow trailing down. On the other hand, this debt free studies in Peru and a surge of orders. But probably shouldn't hold on to this one as long as I did. Spread my link around. S. We never put QS on our. Oh, yeah. Okay, got some people here asking me some questions already in the Discord. More than welcome to ask those questions here in the live stream. And I'll spread my link around because I'm not due to go. Go, link is spread. All right. Make sure you guys leave your questions. Look at today's top gainers. GCB was a top gainer today. NXUZE trading this at 6 o'clock in the morning. Didn't, and already up entire dollar. F wanted to try to push up in much now. Did have a nice 5 o'clock. Go. Peggy again. Oh. 5 to 650. But V1 US is now on the top gainers list. We did have a subscriber call out QS yesterday, and they were able to make some money on it. I said I wasn't really interested in trading it, and hey, that's okay. Didn't trade it, didn't make money. He traded it and he made money, so good job to you. It is beginning to sell off. News today was analyst opinion mixed on these consumer stocks. Windows utilities for Tesla. Gemscape receives a new rating from SI. Analyst price targets $5.90, $10 as a high, low is 4. That's going down, so the profits would have been up here at 680. Put in hold to market open. Now we bounce on the SMA line, which is fine. It does bounce to buy in again about $6. See what that trend line there. Go guys, BOF is pushing up. Get higher highs. About $5 or so. BOF, decent news. Actually, quite a bit. Hoffman Capital reports 37% stake in stuff for 14th. Might be why we got such a big push as well. XU with a nice reverse here from 41 cents or 11 million float, 10 shares. It's not. Dina possibly going to bounce off of the VWAP about 77. If it does, we can see 6 again. CTG is done. This staying above the VWAP and or above the moving average. Way too much. PGN 11 million. Oh, okay. Crossed over. Shows signs of potential momentum. 45. Just not wanting to go lower than that 620. $6 would be right around where the S&P line is. Dollars. Looks like QS is selling off. BOF is also selling off $6. Alright, let's check out some of our votes. Votes are coming in. What do you like most? Day trading videos, 75%. Top stocks that pay monthly, 25%. Okay. Let's get some more votes in. BOF is selling off. Check out some of the other positions that we were talking about yesterday. VRAX had a very nice clean yesterday and eventually sold off, so we're no longer SAV sold off very aggressively. Not sure it could actually bounce back, so we're going to off. JDZG had that push from $1.12 to $1.67. I'm going to take this off of that main watch list there. SOBR, still possible. It's still possible for it to bounce to 15. We're going to continue to wait. We're going to put this in oversold. NUZE, really happened there. Coca-Cola still in that oversold position. LUNR, not doing much there. MEA. Herb is at that 200 average. 90 opportunity cost there for me. 30 minutes here on the chart. Yesterday we talked about this going down to 137, hitting 137 and bouncing back up. Bounced up to 2. That was a $5 per share move. If you had 100 shares, that'd be $500. Longer oversold. Mara, I did want to trade potentially today, but right underneath the trend line. Figure out a way to get above this trend line and above that 8 mark right there. So I'm excited to see what happens with that. It did cross over the moving average, good for us, showing some bullish. Only regret is I didn't buy any more down at the 33 area. Sold up here. Thought I was going to keep selling off. I swap was. Which is okay. XPEV or XP, XP. Almost had support. It's at $11. Those two here. POF. Not doing much, just off. So bad move on my part today. Down about $7. Two. Average share price. Let's see. Cost basis 239.39. All right, and some of you might be asking, how do I find, or how to find stocks to trade every day? Very simple, guys. Very simple. We're looking at the top gainers list. Look at after hour first. We'll see what moved after hour. If anything caught our attention, we get some play. It looked like many of these were actually a maze. So nothing really there. Then we'll go to take a look at what's moving. Now these percent changes, I'd love for them to be above 40%. Right? It looks like that goes up above 15% or so. And then I'm looking for a few things. It needs to be above 40% in profits from the day already. All these are above 20%. Need to have volumes, a lot of volume. Volume compared to free float needs to be. Our free float, what market cap? I don't even really care about the free float's important, right? So free float right here, 11 million, but it had 14 million volume, so 7 million volume. We're looking for something under 10 million, but also has high volume. And in my opinion, it was POF earlier. So that's what we're going to do first. When we find it, okay, this has less than 5 million free float. That's what we want, less than 5. Has volume more than its average, not quite more than. Volume's at almost 3 million. Okay. Average volume over 3 months is 7 million. So not the best, but did have a nice spike. And then news. Gotta have news. News is important. Right, 708. 908 market time market. 20 minutes. Gotta look at oversold. EAT. Not quite oversold enough yet. TSLA, that's what we were going to talk about yesterday. Had strong earnings after hours. It pushed from 213 to 245. And just buying one share, you up $31. Buying one share at 212, selling at 245, you'd be up $33 per share. 100 shares, $33. This is no longer oversold. Okay, my ETFs. I know gold went up good today. SQQ. Wow, look at SQQQ. It pushed up from 7 to 755. 55% profit shorting the market yesterday. The market dropped. Now the market's pushing up, so you could have bought at 70, sold at 73, another $3 profit. Anything else that looks promising here? POF. Waiting for that bounce, guys. Alright, getting some more votes in. What do you like most? Day trading videos are at 60% now. Stock analysis videos, 20%. Top stocks that pay monthly, 20%. Now, if there's something I didn't add into there, a category like, say, crypto, or something that I may have missed, comment it below. I'll add it to the next poll. Oh wow, it just changed again. Day trading 50%, stock analysis 17, monthly paying stocks 33%. The people are speaking. That's what we want, right? I want to know what you guys want to see. That way I'm not making stuff that you don't even care about. Good morning, Better View Window Cleaning. How you doing? How are you doing today? Like we got 6 votes in. Let's get some more votes. Let's get to like maybe 10 votes or so. Go BOF. Trying to break those moving averages and push up now. Exactly what we want to see. US looks like it may bounce. Not selling off anymore, so signs of consolidation right here. 630 mark. Excited to see what happens with that. BOF is no longer on the top gainer list, so that's probably why it's losing all that momentum. NXU pushing up very nicely. Make sure you guys smash that like button for me too. It really helps. Really helps. LGCP bouncing off that moving average. Go might get a break above from 50 cents to 73 cents. BOF is on the top gainers again. I don't think it. No, it's not. GCB trying to push. US actually dropping now. Well, BOF is still on the top gainer. Okay, it's still there. Still there. All right, we're going to go over this criteria checklist again for everyone who did not see it yesterday or had trouble hearing me. I did have some people say it was a little bit hard to hear. Could have been because our fan was on or I wasn't close enough to my mic. Could have been a couple of those. Okay, here we go, guys. For all of you who missed it yesterday, this is my stock criteria checklist. Stock must be at least up 10% from the day before. 40 or 50% would be much better, as something that is gone up from 0 to 10% can go up a little bit more. But something that went up 40% has a lot more potential to go up. That makes sense. Price under $10, but over $1. News, there has to be some kind of catalyst or something that is making the price go higher. Relative volume and float are somewhat the same here. Relative volume needs to mean that there needs to be some good volume. They have 1 million free float and 5 million in volume. That means you're relative 5. Right? got turned over 5 times. And then float 10 million less of 5 million. That actually answers some of your questions for anyone who have missed that from yesterday's live stream. See if BOF bounces off of 194. It looks like there's people wanting up. There's a 3,400 buy order, 3,400 shares buy order at 1910. Or did I say 1910? At a $1.91. $1.90. Right, got filled. Go. Looks like it's going to try to test that moving average again. Break the moving average, we can get right back up to where VWAP is, about 241. Guys, feel free to comment down below any questions, companies you want me to check out, or any stock or ETF ticker symbols. Go ahead and put comments. We're going to be wrapping up this live stream in about 5 to 10 minutes. If you have any questions, now would be the time to answer them. Tomorrow is Friday, which is great. Up the end of the week nicely here. Also, I wanted to showcase the channel again, over 6,000 subscribers, 800 videos, all on how to start making stock. I talk about whether it's day trading, swing trading, long-term investing, dividend investing, whatever, momentum trading, some of these pre-market runners. If it has to do with stocks or making money, like even crypto, I will be talking about it in my channel. Also, there is usually a link for our Discord in our comments. Today we went ahead and did a poll, but if you want, it's the second link in the description below, and you can get access to free Discord. We're getting close to over 200 now, all like-minded individuals, exact same thing. That's just to learn how to make money in the stock market. I have a few people here. This person made $280 yesterday. This person here made $47, $47.90 on the 22nd. I myself am making some money here from say 50 to a couple $100. Very, very easily. Person made another $80, and it's not just stocks either, Rex or futures or something. Yeah, this is available here for anyone. Profits. We have our main chat rooms here, which are very helpful for just talking, familiar with everything. Our earnings releases here, down in this area and under services, the economic calendars. Every single week I put these out. Stock earning release, SEC filings, TF guides, and even charts and patterns. It all help you how to find those breakouts, make the most money possible. We also have trade ideas here where I go over all my trade ideas. As you can see, October 22nd, which today, gave trade ideas on Mara, on Save or Spirit Airline. Yesterday on Mara and Save as well again. And then today, of course, after the live stream ends, I'll be updating everyone in the Discord throughout the day, all the way until market close. And there are days I even do market recap videos and educational videos. So right now, if you subscribe to the channel, you're getting at least one video every single day. It's a live stream, a recap, or an educational video. Eventually, I want to get that up to 2 or 3 videos per day, one being live stream, one being recap, and one being educational. 3 videos a day to you guys coming soon. That'll be very helpful to you all. Announcements will be here. Anytime I go live, anytime I got a new video, or even shorts, they will go here. And then my live trading sessions. I have tons of them, guys. Every single day, the past, I think like 6 months now, 7, 8 months. It's slowly growing. Every day this library gets a little bigger with older content. You can go all the way back to my past live stream, May 6th, 2024. Watch those if you want. Watch the days I win, watch the days I lose, watch the days I make money. There's some days that are boring where you don't make anything at all. So definitely check that out if you're interested. We also do giveaways every once in a while, like gift cards, stuff like that. So consider subscribing to the channel and joining our Discord. Appreciate all your guys' time. Let's see, questions. Bala says, high float and high volume. How to determine for high liquid stocks? Okay, Bala, so you want low float. Low float, high volume. Okay? You don't want high float. You want low float. Like a high float would be like 100 million. A low float would be like less than 10 million. Okay? I mean, if you can get less than a million, like in the hundreds of thousands of float, then you can see that that company could potentially move a lot. Was it this Okra? Was Bivy? See, Bivy has 5.5 million, but its volume was only 600,000. Didn't move very much today. Whereas NXU has 11 million volume, or free float, 11 million, but 24 million volume. So that means it traded 2 times its free amount of shares. You have 10 pieces of paper and 100 people want to use the paper, then that 10 pieces of paper would get transferred to 100 people 10 times in a way, right? Does that make sense? I hope that makes sense. Comment with a thumbs up if that makes sense. And I'll try to make this a little better. Maybe I'll put like, see how flow says 10 million or less. I should have put or less. Cool. He said he got it. Got it. Thanks. Welcome. I didn't know that either. I thought more flow was better, but actually less flow is better. And maybe I can go over some type of an educational video tonight or possibly tomorrow on exactly more about that. Yes, very clear. Awesome. Okay, let's check our position. BOF. Not doing much, just continuing to sell off. We'll see if it catches support at 187 or on the 200-day moving average, which is at 191. Go ahead and look at BOF. Oh no, Mara. Pushing back from 1848, nothing too crazy. And what was it, guys? QS? Was that the other one that we were going to look at? Yeah, QS. Maintaining. I mean, it's maintaining above that trend line. Possible bounce at open. We'll see what happens. Guys, I wish I could join you during the market open. Fortunately, I have to take my daughter to school. So yeah. Come next week though, we'll be in the market open already for about an hour. Market begins to open at 6:30, I believe on November 3rd, something like that. So appreciate you guys' time. Like always, remember, never invest based on anyone's opinion, even mine. Only invest in something that you see value in personally. And if you found this educational, informational, inspirational, or any combination of them all, or just found some value in it to begin with, definitely consider subscribing to the channel. And please do me a favor, smash that like button so other people just like you could find this channel. It's 100% free education and enjoy sharing my thoughts with you all. I appreciate your time. And like always, remember, let's end the year on a green note. Thanks, guys. Have a great day. See you in tomorrow's live stream.